Someone woke me up this morning and told me that someone very special was visiting my town. So I had to get up and go find out who that was. What are they doing in Louisville, Kentucky? And what do they have to offer? Guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Pansy. I am a travel and food vlogger. So if you want to know why this line is wrapped all the way around the block, keep watching this video.
Blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no armor. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, know they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand.
Slutty Vegan could have chose any place in this city to have their truck, but they chose one of the most iconic businesses in this city, and that is Joe's Palm Room. Shout out to Slutty Vegan and to Joe's Palm Room. You both are very iconic in our eyes.
Rose reality.
Pansy Rose.
Late nights with Ari.
I'm with Erica Denise Entertainment. I am the premier entertainment company in Kentucky. Wow. I provide entertainment for corporate and private events and all of the fairs and festivals and things. I was managing the entertainment for this place, Joe's Palm Room. Wow. Do y'all know how historical this building is?
I do.
This is Joe Hammond's spot. Joe Hammond was rolling over in his grave right now to see all of this happening in his spot. He was all about black economics. You hear what I'm saying? And empowering us. Quit playing with Joe Hammond.
Yes.
This is him.
I am really curious to the owner of Slutty Vegan. How does it feel to be a superstar? A food superstar.
That's a really
what?
good question.
Please answer this question.
Yeah, that's a good question.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what this food truck means to you all being here in the West End today.
It's different. It's amazing, and it's just eye-opening to just see something come to life, especially from our people. So I think they picked a great location to set up. Actually, I'm from the West Side.
Yes, yes. Yeah, it's just really nice to see the growth of the company and her doing the tours. I feel like when the kids see the trucks and they know who Slutty Vegan is, it's something that they can kind of dream about, you know, in the future and be like, you know, we can do something like this from our city. So I just think it's awesome.
Okay,
it's really
is there
awesome.
any particular favorite that you're looking to try today?
Slutty,
Everything. I wanted everything on the menu.
Sloppy Toppy. Sloppy Toppy.
Sloppy Toppy is definitely on there. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna pick something else too, but I'm not sure. I'm indecisive right now.
Okay.
I'm super
What about
excited.
yourself? What are you trying?
Yeah.
I don't know yet. This is I'm a first timer, so this will be my first time trying something from her truck. I have her cookbook. I got it as a Christmas gift.
Wow.
So I'm trying to get it more into vegan cooking. So
Exactly.
Perfect
It's a
opportunity.
struggle. Like I feel like I've been in and out of the vegan world for quite some time now, but having good food selections, I feel like is
Exactly.
going to inspire more people to really eat natural, and it's really good for us too. So this is going to be motivational for me.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
What's the blue ticket
fries, which are seasoned. I didn't get ketchup. We didn't want to make this complicated, but let's see what they taste like. Very crispy. These french fries are really good. Oh my god. Very seasoned. Lots of fries in the bag. Y'all, I have been waiting for a very long time. You know that this was a serious deal for me. Today is supposed to be my self-care day. I'm supposed to be doing my hair and all that stuff. And I dropped everything. When Ari and Mora told me what was going on, I dropped everything to come down here today. So here is my Slutty topic. Y'all. We got down here at 11. They started serving at around what, 2:30? Because the line was super long. Here's my burger. It looks like it's been grilled. It's full of cheese and peppers. Let's see. Here we go. Wow. That sauce. Wow. Wow. This sauce is so good. Light's going in and out because I'm using the natural light from the windows behind me. But guys, this sauce that they put on here, oh my god, it's amazing. With that cheese, and it's just like the burger kind of melts in your mouth. Child. I've been in Atlanta on 2 different occasions and could not get in here because they were so busy. The fact that they came to me is just heaven sent. And I tell you, this burger is good. And I see why it's so popular. It literally melts in your mouth. It has all this flavor. It's like right and filling at the same time. I don't understand. But the sauce mixed with that cheese sauce, they have like this slut sauce. Oh my god, it's good. That is one delicious slut burger. Or sloppy toppy.
sure you follow me on TikTok at Pansy Rowe, on Instagram at Pansy Rose Reality, and support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing.